According to the World Health Organization, breast cancer is the most commonly diagnosed cancer in women and is prevalent in 159 of 185 countries. Every year, 685,000 people die from breast cancer. Survival can be ensured with early diagnosis. However, 35% of breast cancer cases are detected in more advanced stages of the disease. To identify and address this issue sooner, regular medical checkups are essential. Breast cancer screening exams are also crucial. Additionally, staying alert to any suspicious signs is very important. In this sense, performing self-breast exams allows for the identification of suspicious lumps, which should then be examined by a healthcare professional. Despite these recommendations, thousands of women lack confidence when performing self-breast exams, and this is where Glooma plays a fundamental role. With the SenseGlove, a medical, portable, home-use device, we are revolutionizing the way women monitor their breast health. SenseGlove is a revolutionary glove that uses pressure sensors to detect variations in breast tissue texture. Together with our intuitive mobile app, women will have the unique ability to track, in real time, any changes that may occur in relation to their breast health. And more. SenseGlove reminds you about your home screening exam through email or mobile phone notifications. It also provides all the information about self-exams carried out over time, making it easier to present the results to your doctor. Our goal is to simplify the interpretation of results and ensure that women visit their doctor as early as possible. This solution is not a diagnostic device and does not replace additional diagnostic exams or routine medical checkups. Are you ready to do your exam? We will show you how. How to prepare for self-examination. To begin your self-examination, press the Start button on the screen. When the Bluetooth symbol appears on the screen, make sure that the SenseGlove is connected. To do this, press the glove's button for 3 seconds until a white light appears. When the glove is detected by the app, the message "Glove successfully connected" will appear in the app, meaning that the connection was successful. You can then click on the Continue button. Before the exam, remove any rings, bracelets, or watch. Additionally, undress from the waist up, including your bra. Firstly, choose the breast you want to examine. Put the glove on the hand opposite to the breast you have selected. For example, if you are analyzing the right breast, wear the glove on your left hand. How to put on the glove. Put the glove on so that the Velcro strap is positioned on the inside of your arm. Close the glove and position your fingers. The thumb should remain outside the fabric, while the other fingers will be in contact with the sensors to perform the self-exam. Once you have put the glove on correctly, press the button on the glove again to start reading. The light on the glove will change from white to blue. How to perform a self-exam. Maintain an upright position. Raise your arm on the side of the breast to be analyzed and place your hand behind your head. This will be crucial so that the glove's sensors can reach the less accessible breast tissue. Your exam is divided into 4 breast quadrants, with each quadrant further split into subquadrants. Palpation should be performed over all subquadrants by applying slight pressure with the sensors on each subquadrant before moving to the next. Repeat the procedure in the remaining subquadrants. How to remove the glove after self-exam. To remove the SenseGlove, please open the Velcro strap with the opposite hand. Make sure all your fingers, including your thumb, are well positioned for easy removal from the glove. Join us, because at Glooma we cannot stop breast cancer, but we can help women stop dying from it.